Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Kia Sorento. Start by adjusting the seat, mirrors, and steering column, then fasten your seat belt and set climate controls. Learn basic controls like brake, accelerator, and gear selector, and practice smooth starts in a quiet parking lot. I will guide you through shifting tips, parking maneuvers, and safety checks so you feel confident behind the wheel. Focus on smoothness and anticipation when driving your Sorento through mixed traffic. Keep both hands on the wheel and scan well ahead for hazards, using mirrors every few seconds. Practice gradual acceleration and braking to preserve comfort and fuel efficiency, and use adaptive cruise when appropriate to reduce fatigue. I will cover lane discipline, merging tips, and safe passing strategies to help you navigate confidently in all conditions. If you are finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical driving tips. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for long waits or passenger downtime, with a crisp screen and long battery life that fits easily in the Sorento glove box. It makes road trip reading painless and enjoyable, so check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Practice parking in a quiet lot until you feel comfortable with dimensions and camera cues. Use the rearview camera, parking sensors, and mirrors together to judge distance accurately when reversing into spaces. For parallel parking, approach slowly, turn precisely, and adjust with small steering inputs to align the vehicle. I will explain hill starts, three-point turns, and tips for tight garages to reduce stress during everyday maneuvers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.